First of all, I would like to tell my all the viewers that I'm going to connect Pushpa ma'am right now, and she has a very good command at English language. So that's why I'm just going to connect. And Pushpa ma'am, now at first, just tell me, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
Yes, ma'am, doing everything well, and my life is going hunky dory. So now you just tell me that how have you been? Means how long have you been doing this kind of like uploading the conversational video in your channel, and how did you get this idea that how I have to start like that?
I got this idea, ma'am, because of all YouTubers. All YouTubers said to me, "You create your channel and make short
Video.
video and upload your channel. It means level up your skill speaking, and it helpful, ma'am. It helpful a lot." because
Yes.
of because of channel I am bound to make video every single day and upload. Ma'am.
Yes, you are doing really very good job, ma'am. That's why people would learn a lot of things and they would get like, confidence, that
Yeah,
if somebody can speak, then how I can speak like that. So people are just learning
yeah,
like that. So, ma'am, I would
yeah,
like you to introduce yourself in a nutshell.
yeah, ma'am. Definitely, of course. My name is Puspa from UP district Saranpur, and I have a means for family member, my son, daughter, husband, and I have a little granddaughter.
Yes, as I know that, and
and,
yes, she's so cute.
and today she came to my house. That's why my day was very busy,
Busy.
hectic,
Hmm.
because I have to preparation lot of her
Yes, yes.
welcome.
And when you have a little baby at your home, so you don't get properly time to do something, it's like that very
Yeah,
hard not to crack to do other things. Like we have to keep engaging in their self around them. So,
yeah,
ma'am, now you just tell me that how did you learn this language, and did you feel that when I had started it, it was so tough, and now I'm just getting it properly. So, what was your learning process?
ma'am. I have started my this journey, English journey, after 3 years ago,
Hmm. Okay, that's very good.
2023, and
Okay.
because I am so passionate to learn this language since my childhood. That's why when I was child, I didn't get this type of any facility. That's why when I got my phone in 2023, that time in
You started
started,
like,
I didn't know this type of English conversation video, English content come in YouTube. Earlier, I used to watch
mhm.
only cooking videos and
Okay.
stitching video. I wasted my time
Yes.
all
So
day.
you were just
Uh,
fapping around those days. Like now you have started using your times.
yeah, yeah. And
Yes.
somehow one day English conversation video popped up in front of my eye, and that
Mhm.
day I have started learning. First, I start started learning grammar part. When
Mhm.
my grammar part completed, after that I started my speaking part. After means last year
Yes,
in
you have started.
in May
Mhm.
in December I started speaking part, and ma'am, recently I have created my channel, and channel helped me a lot is
Yes.
level up my English.
Yes, that's very, true things. When you have created something, and that time you have to focus totally on, in your channel and everything
Yeah,
like related kind of work. And it's our responsibility that we have to run always, we have to keep uploading those kind of things.
yeah,
And when your, video popped up, and I just watched it. I just loved that way you were talking to people and people. So I thought, why not? I should start with a conversation with you. It's not the first time, and second time,
Yeah.
third time, and next time I'll definitely connect with you. Okay, it's not going on. It will be the going on process.
Thank you,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you. You give
Yes.
me your precious time.
No, ma'am, your
Thank
time
you,
is
Rupma.
also very, very precious, ma'am. And you have given me that a wonderful time, ma'am. Literally, I wanted to talk to you. And today I felt very happy that you connected me and we are just talking right now. So, ma'am, I would
Yeah.
like to ask you that when you just learned this language and after that, didn't you feel that how can I start a conversation with any kind of random people? Because first time we just get very type of different kind of feelings like how could I start? It's
Yeah.
very difficult if somebody is like started making fun of me, what will happen to me? So thinking this, although you just ignored that, and irrespective of the people you started your speaking that time, first time, how did you feel it? Did you get your confident?
Yeah, ma'am. When I gave you rapid fire in
Yes, the first time.
2024,
Yes.
and you suggested me you start your speaking part, but ma'am, that time I didn't know
Hmm.
कि first we have to practice with hello app, CV, this type of app, and I didn't know, I didn't practice, and I send message Babita ma'am directly, and I start video call without practice,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now finally you had started yours. Okay.
And
Yes. So, ma'am, I would like
continuously.
to ask you one thing that we know that sometimes this work become very arduous for us.
Yeah,
Sometimes we
ma'am.
don't want to do this kind of things. We think what why we are just doing this. I'm not getting properly. I'm not a good speaker. I'm not a good one who can speak anyone like very fluently. So, see, thinking this, sometimes we try to give up. Okay, that time,
Mm.
how do you motivate yourself? How do you talk to yourself, and who motivates you?
Yes, ma'am. When we see other fluent speaker, I feel
Yes.
that
It's
I
increase your stress level.
I I feel like I haven't learned anything. I am not able to speak properly, but I don't feel like this. I see change in myself because
Yes.
earlier I was not able to speak. If I am able to speak that level, definitely one day I will speak fluently, and I don't let my practice. I will
Hmm.
practice every single day.
So
And
you
my
became
desire,
your own friend that yes, I have to
yeah,
only keep going like this.
yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So ma'am, now it's your if you just have any queries, so you can ask me.
Yeah, ma'am. Means you have been teaching for a long time,
Yes.
and for beginner, you give me some easy tips and tricks so they give help, and this journey become easy for them.
Yes.
I would like to say
Okay. So you know
this
what?
thing.
Yes. Ma'am, when I had started my journey, that time it was not so easy because teaching someone, it's really very hard not to crack because at first you have to learn, you have to understand, and after that you can make other people understand. That was the very toughest job
Mm,
for me. Then
yeah,
I didn't even think that I could teach in English language to anyone. So I felt, okay, let me do something, let me try once. And I just, and I thought, okay, if I just fail, then I learned that something, how to teach or
mm,
how to just,
mm,
go ahead. But if I'm getting success, then I'll keep teaching because it will be my job. Then I started thinking two parts of that, the journey that time. Then I was
mm,
not confident that time, but after teaching a lot of students one by one, I started grabbing my confidence, and I felt that the students were getting benefited. Then I thought, yes, I should not stop my journey. It should be my
mm,
journey, not only the journey, but it should be my long time process. I'm going to teach until until I don't know the time going on
yeah.
process. Yes. So as a human being, I had already considered myself that yes, I am a teacher, online speaking, English speaking
Yeah.
teacher. Yes.
Yeah.
So it was my journey, ma'am. I had started.
Yeah. Ma'am, I have known you for a long time, and
Yes.
there is no need to introduction. But for my viewer, please give your your introduction in a
Yes.
brief.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this chance to introduce myself. So I would like to tell at first that my name is Rinki Sharma, and I have two kids. And right now, I'm just running my YouTube channel, and its name is English with Rinki. And I'm teaching a lot of students there, and I've been teaching for 2 years. And when I just teach students, so I feel very happy, and they are just getting benefits. So I feel very happy that they are just improving right now. So I feel that yes, I'm doing something good kind of job. So
Yeah.
what this is nutshell about me.
And ma'am, means you doing household chores, and you have
Yes.
a two son, and
Yes.
they are going to school, and
Yes.
you also teach the children how to manage your day.
Yes, ma'am. I have to manage my time, every work after, time to time. Because if I sit for 20 minutes during my work, so it will be blunder. Okay, so I have to manage my time. At first, I have to wake up early in the morning and I have to make breakfast for my kids and all the family members. And after that, I start 9 o'clock, start teaching, and again
Yeah.
I just do my household chores. So this kind of process always going on, like every day my process, like sometimes I have to teach, sometimes I have to do my chores. So I'm just trying, like I'm just managing like that. And when I just get my own time, so I just prefer to watch those kind of videos which is English content, and yes, and newspaper. Actually, I love to read newspaper every day. And if whole newspaper is very important, Ado's work to do, read all those newspaper.
Read. Yes,
So
ma'am.
what I
Yeah.
do, yes, little bit things I just read it. But yes, I every day read newspaper. It's my hobby, you can say, or it's my like free time. I just do this kind of thing because that time I feel that yes, I have to speak like that. I have to improve my pronunciation also. It's very important. Only the speaking is not the things that you have to learn, but how to pronounce the words, it's really very important. So I just love to do this kind of things. That's how I just manage my time.
And ma'am, nowadays, how do you practice for your
Yes.
English?
So nowadays I have started one thing that I just go to the YouTube and I just listen any kind of Hindi story. Only
Yeah.
listen that, and that the story again I start speaking in English when I just feel alone that there is no anyone, and I start speaking like in English. And that time if somebody comes, so it's not they can stop me. I keep on going. you know I
Yeah.
don't have to do with the other people that what they are just
Mhm.
speaking. Even my kids, they don't disturb me. If they come to the room when I just doing my practice, they think that yes, my mom is doing practice, so I should not disturb. Then they just I just actually I have to somehow I have to complete my practice, because when you are in practice, then you can teach other people. So I felt that I should not stop my practice. So how I just do my practice.
Ma'am, there are four pillars: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Which part is important to learn this language?
Yes, at first, I would like to suggest all the people who is just learning right now, listening is the very, very important part. If you don't listen, then how would you know that what they are just speaking? You can't, understand the gesture, what they are just speaking, in what content they are just speaking. So listening has always been important part for learning this language, because you might have heard about that, the when a kid born, they always just
Yeah.
listen other people
Yes.
and they just learn a lot of things. So I felt
Yeah.
that listening is the very important part. And second is you have to at least replicate those kind of things, whatever you are just listening. And you have to try to speak little bit. And writing comes third. and as last one, what did you say, ma'am? Reading. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
And reading comes fourth in my if I talk about my list goes like that. Yes, so at first I prefer listening, the second I prefer speaking, and third it would be your what did you say? Writing. Okay. And third would be reading, fourth would be reading. So these are the combination of like that how you just learn your language.
Ma'am, I want to ask you, if any person slow learner, how long it will take to learn,
Means,
according to you?
ma'am, I would like to tell you that there are a lot of people they speak very slow, but make sure that speaking slow it's not bad. Your it's your tone, it's your original tone. Originated means we can say it's original way you are just speaking. In Hindi, if you speak very slow, then how could you speak in English very fast? It's not possible. So you should not go through like that. How slow you speak, how fast you speak, but make sure that whatever you speak, it should be sound so adorable, sober, and should be sound, means very very musical. We can say like melodious. Okay, this is what
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have to think about it. Not that very fast we have to speak, not that very slow we have to speak. No, there should be average speaking speed. So I feel that you might be asking, I think you are just asking about that you speak very slow, that's why I'm asking. No, you speak better. The way you are speaking, it's very good. You just make other people understand by speaking so slowly, it's very good. And someone speaks so fast, they are not bad, but it's their original way, they just speak in their native language. So there is no difference between like why you are just speaking so slow, why you are speaking so fast. It's all about that. If people are getting you, it's enough for you.
No, ma'am, I'm asking you, means one person learn means one person read anything once
Hmm.
time,
Hmm.
they learn in once time.
Hmm.
Any person read same thing two time, three time, when
Okay, yes, you are
person
asking
learn.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
In
yeah.
terms of that, you are asking. Okay. So, you know that practice makes people, perfect. So, if
Perfect.
you feel that, yes, I have this kind of like disqualities, I have to change this disqualities in quality. So, the people, how they might have done like those kind of practice, they might have read a lot of things. That's why they are just getting this kind of like, what we
Yeah.
can say, the fluency and all that. Okay, so I feel that you feel, if you just feel like that, so you have to read again and again the same thing. Not, you should not change that. Okay, once suppose that you are just going to read a summary or something like any kind of passage, read once. If you are just slow, once, second time, third time, fourth time,
Mm,
fifth time, and the time you would definitely feel that yes, I am speaking a little bit fast right now, I'm not getting stuck there, I'm not feeling
mm,
hesitation. So it's right now, it's a proper reading, I'm just doing my proper reading right now. So I feel
mm,
that the same thing you have to repeat again, and in a loop. Okay, so I feel
mm.
that you should improve like that. So I feel like that.
And ma'am, according to me, uh, means reading help a lot. When we read any story,
Hmm.
means novels, so we get so many words, and when we didn't know the meaning of those words, and we go to ChatGPT and get meaning of
Answer.
those words, and that's why I think reading is more important
More important.
to level
Yes.
up. And
Yes.
man,
So I agree that reading is really very important. So, ma'am, what do you do for this? Like, do you read every day something?
yeah, ma'am, I read one pages only, only, and
Okay, that's
read
very
and
good.
read and write, and means speaking
Yeah.
all. four part I follow
You just do every day. And I
every
could
single day.
see, that the changes in you, like earlier you used to talk, and now, right now, you are just talking right now. There biggest difference between like that, the phase
Thank you,
when you
ma'am.
have
Thank you.
started. Now you are speaking mind blowing, ma'am. Such a really very good improvement you have right now.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
I feel very happy
Your,
when you just speak like that.
ma'am, your this what made my day.
Yes, ma'am. Literally, I'm feeling that. I'm connecting you, and I'm feeling like that. How you have just, improved yourself day by
And
day.
ma'am,
You improved.
I don't have any type of fear
Ah,
now.
right now, this is the main things you have already done in your life, that you have totally removed your fear.
And now I can able to speak
Yes,
everyone.
yes.
I
And
can.
now you don't have any hesitation that how people would react me, how would they speak like that.
No, no,
No, nothing. You are just going and like a butter, you
yeah.
keep going like that. So,
And ma'am, I left the thinking about people. If I
yes.
think
Hmm.
about the people, we don't think about us.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. So, I seeing you this kind of like, you have already grabbed this kind of reality. If we have to improve ourselves, if we have to run our channel, so we have to totally remove our fear. And no matter what people would say about it, I don't care about it. It's none of my job. So I have to do only one thing, that I am learning. If no matter if you are not growing with your subscriber or something like that, you are uploading yourself. That's a very important, that you are just doing your practice every day by
Yeah,
speaking, by saying something or something, any kind of videos, like. So I
yeah,
feel
yeah,
very happy. If somebody says, ma'am, your subscriber is not increasing, then it's not in my hand. How would I say like that, okay, I'll increase my
yeah,
subscriber?
yeah.
I'm just talking here, I'm just talking to the people. They like it, and the few people they like it, I'm happy with that. I'm just doing my practice, it's done with me.
Mm. And ma'am, I think if people have burning desire, our desire
Yes.
compelled to do some everything for our desire for goal.
Yes, yes, ma'am, absolutely. So we have already set our goal that I have to improve my English. Not we
Yeah,
have said that I have to be like, I have to only grow my channel even though I don't speak better. How this is possible? It's up to the people. They like, they would subscribe, and if they don't, they will not subscribe. So it's up to them. So I don't care about it. But
yeah,
yes, it's
yeah.
enough for me that people are learning. I'm teaching right now. The student approaches me. So that's only the enough for me. So, ma'am, I enjoyed a lot this conversation. Now, you tell me about your experience.
I
A
enjoy I enjoy a lot, ma'am. I enjoy
lot, ma'am.
a lot. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So, whenever I just get time, and whenever you just get time, just let me know, and I'll let you know. Okay.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely.
Yes.
I am
And yes,
I
ma'am.
am always able for you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. And ma'am, basically, I'm just talking about that. I know that your health a little bit nowadays it's not good,
Yeah, ma'am.
and you should take care because in winter has already come. So
Yeah,
you have to
ma'am.
take care of yourself. And I'm just wishing you for your, channel, whatever you have just created for that. So you should grow and grow and grow. You will definitely grow.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you a lot.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. So मिलते हैं
Okay,
हम लोग
okay, ma'am.
next.
Bye
Yes.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.